It's written in the stars, I signed my name. I'm carrying this torch to my grave. It's burning to the fabric of my soul. Though I know it's not an easy road, the one who made the world has made me free. And I already know my destiny. With every beat that's left inside my heart, I will serve the Lord, even if I stand alone. I've decided long ago, though the ground may shake me, I won't let it change me. I will serve the Lord, even if the waters rise, even through the endless night. My faith is firmly set in stone, and I will serve the Lord. Those who hear my voice, do what you will, but I'll never leave the peace that I feel. It takes me to a higher, holier place. And despite the struggles that I face, He gives me all the grace that I could need. And I already know my destiny. With all the strength that's left inside my soul, I will serve the Lord, even if I stand alone. I've decided long ago, though the ground may shake me, I won't let it change me. I will serve the Lord, even if the waters rise, even through the endless night. My faith is firmly set in stone, and I will serve the Lord. I will serve the Lord, even if I stand alone. I've decided long ago, though the ground may shake me, I won't let it change me. I will serve the